Stretch it, kitty, stretch it. Hi, Mama Cat. Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And today we're going to talk about cold weather and how to keep your hands warm when you're out working. Now, I worked as a letter carrier for like 15 years, and the only thing I had to keep my hands warm were these hot hands hand warmers. Up to 10 hours of heat. Safe, natural heat, no odor, air activated. This is all I had. Our heaters in our trucks did not work that well, so my hands would freeze. Now, these things aren't bad, but they don't get hot. They get warm. And they do produce heat for 10 hours, but it's not an intense hot heat. It's just barely warm, and it means you can put them in your glove and be comfortable that way, but it doesn't do much for your fingertips. Now, there's a bunch of different hand warmers on the market now, and these are some of the battery operated ones. The only problem I have with these that I got is that the battery compartment does not want to stay shut on this one, and when you turn them on, they get so hot that you can't hardly hold on to them for very long. But you can wrap your fingers around them and keep, they will warm up your fingers and hands. But like I said, they get intensely hot, and it's hard to get them to turn on completely. And it takes a little bit of time for them to heat up. When they do heat up, they heat up to the point where they're almost impossible to hold on to. And they do take batteries, so if you don't have any batteries, you're out of luck. And the batteries do not last that long. Now, these, on the other hand, are battery also, but they're the plug-in, so you can recharge them. And you push them here, hold it for 3 seconds, the green light will come on, and these heat up almost instantly. And what I like about them, they're hot already. What I like about it is that it has different degrees. You can hit it once, hold it again, it turns color, and now it's not quite as hot as the other one. So you can go from hot, real hot, to comfortable just to hold it and keep your hands warm. So of all these three that I've used, the one that plugs in and recharges, the one that you have to put the batteries in, and the air activated ones, I really like these the best. Mainly because you can control the amount of heat that you get, and then you can recharge it without wasting a bunch of batteries. And this will last usually about 5 to 6 hours, I think, on one charge at the high, and up to 10 hours on the low. So you get a good day's worth of heat out of these. Plus you can turn them on and off as needed. Where these, once they're activated, they stay activated until they're done, and then you have to toss them away and buy new ones. So this is my least amount, but like I said, it's the only thing I had when I was doing the mail. They will work in a pinch, but they're not gonna really, it's not like putting your hand next to a fire source. These are like putting your hand up against near the fire to warm your hands up. And like I said, these are okay. They just, the battery on this one just doesn't want to stay. And they're hard to eventually turn on. You have to push that all the way up. But they do eventually heat up. This is my favorite. Like I said, these get to the point where I can't even hold this one in my hand. It's so hot. I have to hold it like this. And so it would be, if you had gloves on, you hold it on the outside of the gloves, it would work. But you don't, I don't think you could, I couldn't hold it in my hand that long. It's just now heating up. It takes a while. This one heated up almost immediately, remember? This one's been sitting here the whole time I'm talking, and it's just now getting to the point where I can feel the heat, but it doesn't stop. It just keeps heating, heating, heating. So that's my review on the hand warmers. If you have a chance to get these type, definitely get these type. So, hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.